Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can put date in your Google Sheets file. So there are two ways that you can use. The first one is you can just add the date manually like this. For example, I want to create add today's date in here, today's date. And then 28 2023. You can just click on the enter and the date will be added in here. But you can also use a shortcut, and I use this shortcut a lot because it will make you easier, especially if you want to add the current date or today's date. So here I'm going to I'll show you the shortcut first, but I'm going to show you the keyboard on my computer so that you can see the shortcuts. So in here, what you need to do is just click on the cells that you want to put date, and then click on control and then this semicolon icon. Okay, so this one's right here. Okay, I'm going to make it bigger. Control and then this semicolon. So I'm going to try it one more time. So this one and this one. And just like that, the date will be added like this. And if you want to change the format of the date, you can just go to format, number, and then go to the custom date and time. And in here there will be lots of options of the date format that you can choose. I'm going to change it into this one, for example, then click on apply. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to click thanks, like this video, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you all on the next tutorial. Bye.